Stripe Atlas Review. Stripe Atlas is a product by Stripe that allows entrepreneurs and startups anywhere in the world to incorporate a US based business, open a US bank account, and access Stripe's payment infrastructure. It's become one of the most popular options for international founders looking to scale globally. So, what do you get with Stripe Atlas? When you sign up, Stripe Atlas provides US company information and then employer identification number needed to pay taxes and open a bank, obtained on your behalf from the IRS. Number three, US business bank account, partnered with Mercury and sometimes other banks and can manage banking remotely. Stripe account integration, Stripe payments account automatically created and connected to your business, and legal tax guidance, access to legal templates like contracts, option plans, discounts and services, and optional partners. Now let's move on to pricing. So as you can see, this is the standard pricing. You can see also here the payment method and payment providers. Now, one-time fee, it cannot be unchanged for years. No recurring fees from Stripe Atlas directly, aside from normal Stripe processing or banking fees. And this has ongoing Delaware franchise tax. And more information can be seen right here. Now let's move on to pros of Stripe's Atlas. First, we have is global founder friendly. You can live anywhere, India, Nigeria, Brazil, and still run a US business. Excellent for SaaS, online services, and digital products. So let's go on to cons of Stripe Atlas. First is tax complexity. US corporations must file annual reports and pay taxes even if foreign owned. You may need a CPA familiar with US plus international tax law. This one is not ideal for every business type. Some founders might prefer an LLC for simpler taxes, and non venture startups may not need a Delaware C Corp structure. This one has no physical US presence, and you will still need a US address provided by Stripe, Atlas, but limited, and may be rejected by some vendors or platforms requiring full US residency. And then limited customization, it's a standardized setup, not tailored to niche or unusual business models. So, final verdict, Stripe Atlas is still the gold standard for global founders looking to quickly incorporate in the US and gain access to Stripe's financial tools. It combines speed, simplicity, and global accessibility, but be prepared for US tax filings and some legal complexity. And that is a simple review for Stripe Atlas. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.